Oh, I can't take it no more. Facebook invited me to the performance bonus program. And out of $30,000, I only made $2.04. Please, I'm tired of being broke. Please. Oh, please, go over there. Go over there, please. Like some statuses, some pictures. Comment. Share them on your page. I can't live like this no more. I'm tired of being broke and living on the street. Please. Help me make $30,000, please, before January 8th. I'm tired of shopping at the thrift store and having to worry about how I'm going to pay my bills. The washing machine man has started calling me again. Please, I can't take it no more. Go on over to my Facebook. My Facebook is in my channel description. Please follow me and help me, please.